Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of personal and professional growth. Today, we're exploring how personal development not only enhances your personal wealth, but also significantly benefits your organization. Let's unravel these benefits backed by compelling statistics and insights from some of the most successful people in the business world. Career advancement through mentorship. Let's start with mentorship. Did you know that having a mentor can increase your chances of getting promoted by a whopping 5 times? That's right, this isn't just good news for mentees. Mentors themselves are 6 times more likely to climb the career ladder. This mentor-mentee dynamic isn't just about climbing the corporate ladder, it's a financial escalator, with both parties seeing significant salary growth. Think of mentorship as your secret weapon in the arsenal of career advancement. Salary boosts from personal development programs. Now let's talk numbers. Engaging in personal development programs can skyrocket your salary by an average of 25%. That's a quarter of your current income. This statistic isn't just impressive, it's a testament to the power of investing in yourself. Personal development programs are like financial growth hormones, focusing on skills that the job market drools over. So, if you're contemplating whether that self-improvement course is worth it, remember this number, 25%. Continuing education and income increase. Education is a game changer. Upgrading from an associate to a bachelor's or master's degree doesn't just add fancy letters after your name. It can lead to better job positions and higher salaries. Companies don't just appreciate your academic hustle, they reward it. This educational leap is not just a step, it's a financial elevator with each higher degree potentially unlocking higher income brackets. Remember, knowledge isn't just power, it's profitable. Increased self-awareness and self-esteem. Now, on to the intangibles, self-awareness and self-esteem. These aren't just feel-good terms, they're financial catalysts. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses can lead to smarter career moves, better job performance, and thus more moolah. Confidence in negotiating salaries and advocating for promotions can significantly impact your income. So, while you can't put a price tag on self-esteem, it certainly helps in adding a few extra zeros to your paycheck. Mental fitness and resilience on earnings. Mental fitness and resilience are your invisible financial advisors. These traits make you more productive, creative, and innovative, qualities that are gold in the professional world. They might not directly show up in your paycheck, but they pave the way for promotions and leadership roles. It's hard to quantify, but the link between these personal attributes and financial success is a well-established fact in the corporate realm. Insights from business leaders. Now let's hear from the VIPs of the business world. Dale Carnegie, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and other luminaries like Jeff Bezos and Oprah Winfrey all stress the importance of personal development. Their advice spans from continuous learning, embracing leadership roles, to the power of perseverance and learning from failure. These titans of industry don't just preach, they practice personal development as a cornerstone of their extraordinary success. Personal development's influence on organizational profit. Moving to the organizational perspective, personal development is a profit multiplier. Engaged employees are 17% more productive, leading to higher organizational revenues. Investing in personal development significantly reduces turnover costs, which can be astronomical. Also, companies with effective managers see a staggering 48% higher profits. These aren't just numbers, they're financial testimonies to the power of personal development in the corporate world. In summary, personal development is a win-win for both individuals and organizations. It's not just about climbing the career ladder, it's about building a financial escalator for yourself and your company. Remember, investing in personal growth isn't a cost, it's a high-return investment. So keep learning, keep growing, and watch both your career and your bank account flourish. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video enlightening, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal and professional growth. Share your thoughts and experiences with personal development in the comments below. Until next time, keep developing and keep succeeding.